Hey guys, Rusty here, WHP. Today I have a '08 Chevy 6.6 Duramax. Customer towed it in because he changed the filter and could not get it to start after. So these systems have to be primed. What you're going to need is a flathead screwdriver. You're going to pull this plug off. Shows how tight it is. It's just freaking hand tight. It's got an O-ring on it, so if the O-rings rip, change it. And then all we're gonna do is just push on that until we start getting fuel. And this is just priming the filter. Also known as going to the gym, because it is a workout. Alright, now that we got some fuel, we can put our plug back on. I don't even know if I was videotaping. So that took about 20 pumps. Not that I was counting. Alright, now we're gonna pump this a couple times more. So it's pretty hard. And now, once we put our air box back in, sorry, I'm trying to not get diesel all over my phone. And I'm right-handed. Once I put my air filter back in, it will start. If you do not prime this, you can crank on this thing forever and it will not get rid of the air pocket that's in there. So, very simple. Yeah. Check us out on Facebook, hit the like button, subscribe. I'm gonna put this air box in and I'll show you guys it running. Thanks. Alright, air box in. It's not gonna fire right up, but it should fire up. Oh wow, that fired up way easier than what I thought. Alright, so yeah, trust me, if you change that filter and you don't prime that system, she ain't gonna start. Trust me, I fell for it before because that does not look like a prime button. And I cranked and cranked and cranked and ended up having to figure out how to prime it. So hit that subscribe button, guys. Check us out on Facebook. And as always, keep wrenching.